we are putting the boat in and we're heading to Rotto. The day is looking mint, so we're very excited.
Yeah, we woke up and the weather looks alright. It's overcast, but at least there's no wind. And if you know anything about boating, it's all about the wind. You don't want to be out there when it's windy, so.
Yeah, it's so nice out there. So anyways, we're gonna go pick the boat up and we'll launch it.
If you've never been to Perth, this is North Beach, probably one of the best areas in Perth, I reckon.
Yeah, so the boat is actually at our friend's house because we couldn't leave it at our place anymore. We had a few issues with the neighbours. Okay, we picked her up.
Feeling up.
How much do you reckon we're going to need?
Oh no.
Actually pretty good.
Use about 40 litres to go to Rotto and back and drive around a bit, so.
Yeah, I feel like it's pretty good.
Yeah, you can go to Rotto twice on 100 litres. Which Rotto's about 30k or 25k, but then you drive around a fair bit, so.
Yeah. So today we are kind of just like going over to Rotto, filming a bunch of content, TikToks, Reels, YouTube, and heaps of ads, because obviously if you don't know, we film a lot of ads every single week for Sunny Scenes. So we're gonna go film heaps of content with the rugs and the boat, and maybe stop at the pub. We'll see. Got all the rugs.
Got a jump starter because for some reason every time we put the boat in, the battery's flat, but it's got brand new batteries, so you may be selling it soon too if you want to buy a boat. Sunny Scenes will come off, but it'll still be brown. We only just wrapped it.
Still have this colour, guys, which is really cool.
We only just wrapped it, but if we move to Early Beach, I just don't think we're going to tow it over there.
What do you guys think? Should we keep this boat for Early Beach?
Or should we get a way bigger one?
I don't want to get rid of the Sunny Scenes sticker, but I want a bigger boat, because imagine like sleeping on the reef, the Great Barrier Reef. It'll just be so sick. Anyways, let's get this in the water. Okay, Elliot's just launching the boat, but holy shit, it's already 40 degrees and it's only like 8:30. Crazy.
Righto, we've got the boat in. It actually started first go, so frothing. It's about 25 k's over there, so it takes about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. It's pretty flat today, so we should get over there pretty quick.
So we're leaving at 9 o'clock. Let's time it actually.
Pretty overcast as you can see, but fuck, it's hot. It's so hot, eh?
Oh, so hot.
It's about to be like 40 degrees today, but it's super overcast, so we'll see what happens. That's why we're out here.
I just want to get in the water already.
I'll put my goggles on and my dive mask, and I'll chuck the GoPro on my dive mask and I'll go down.
Yeah.
See if I can get some crays. Probably not. I'm pretty sick, so probably shouldn't be diving, but.
The best swim, because we've been sick this week, it's been so nice to just come out here, get outside and have a nice swim, because it's so hot and the water temp is mint. There's so many different boats out today, like all the big yachts. And I just wish Elliot would buy me one of them, but yeah, he won't. So I'm just gonna have to keep waiting.
Right, I put it on the GoPro. I'll dive in here, it's like 5 meters deep. Have a look in some holes. There's heaps of pods here, so I don't know, probably be some crows.
No, it's really nice once you're actually in.
no luck on that front. The ground was pretty shit, to be honest.
Damn.
Wasn't many holes or anything, so we'll go have a look somewhere else. Still got to film.
There's a lot of cray pots out, so maybe they've got them all.
Yeah, there's cray pots everywhere. I probably should have went and seen what was in them.
So I think because it's like, I know, a little bit overcast, there's not much happening around here. We'll go into town, have a look at all the shops, maybe get some food or something, and yeah, come check it out with us.
By town, there's like a little street on Rottnest where you can go and buy stuff when you're here on holidays and stuff.
It's not really a town, but there are some really cool shops, so we might go check them out and yeah, see what's happening. Oh, and see the Quokkas.
Oh yeah, the Quokkas, the famous Quokkas. Might be a reason for you to come to WA.
The sound of that grinds my gears.
Our next boat, is going to have an ankle winch on it, that's for sure.
So we've just anchored up at the main beach area. I hope we're not going to hit that boat, are we?
No, I was
really freaking
tied it off just so they shouldn't hit. But see, pretty much when you come to Rotto, you can just pull up on the beach here and just throw one anchor out the front, and then you tie up to one of these buoys, and then you should be pretty sweet. So yeah, everyone just parks up. You can see over there, and then all the yellow moorings there are, you got to pay per year to have them. I don't know what they're worth, probably like 10 grand a year or something.
Yeah, pretty sure it's expensive. But on Rottnest Island, we're going to show you around. There's a pub here, there's heaps of shops. So yeah, come up with us and we'll show you. So this is the town. It does look like a town, doesn't it?
This is the little main street, yeah, but people probably don't know there's no real cars over here. Only the workers have cars.
Yeah,
you got to get around on push bikes.
Found a quokka. Hello, quokka. Oh. Excuse me.
Where are you going? So they just roam around and pretty much just eat up everyone's crumbs. Rottnest Island is actually called Rottnest Island because when they first come here, they thought they were big rats, so they called it Rottnest Island. Just checking our boat because there's a good chance it's banging against everything. In other news, how good's this stuff? Health.
A bit of an unpopular opinion. I actually don't really like the chalky milk. The chalky milk one. I don't really like it. This is so nice here. Like, this is a Sapphire like resort. We've had a few cocktails here before, but it's so nice. So we're just kind of roaming around over here on Rottnest Island today. Nothing like, not really doing too much. But next week we will be vlogging like our day in our life working. So working as like in our business. And we'll be sharing just like from the moment we wake up to nighttime, like what a day looks like. So stay tuned for that because I feel like it's going to be heaps of info that people just don't see behind the scenes of business.
What'd you get?
This chicken salad bread roll. It's pretty good. This is from the bakery here. Actually, so much good food in the bakery. There's only like pub, Subway, bakery, one brekkie place. So, anyways, let's taste it.
What do you think out of 10?
Probably a 2.
2? She's that hard to please. Mano just went straight under Amy when she was pulling the boat in.
Oh, I can see that. Look. Oh, no. I love dolphins. Literally the cutest sea creature ever. Oh my god, where are they? So we've pulled up at this beach. One of my favourite beaches. We always come here when we come to Rotto. It's just so nice and clear. Elliot's pulling us in. Oh! How nice is the background? Like, heaps of people over there, but no one here. And there's like a little cave bit over here, which is really cool. We're gonna go check it out and film a bunch of content over here. Are you burying it? I said you buried it.
We just come around to another beach because it was a bit packed around the other way. What's in here? A few crays. These guys are having a bit of a dive. They got the dive flag up. Probably get more crays than us. Saying that, might even go out there for a look after.
So nice. Guys, I'm literally in shock every time I'm at Rottnest Island because look at this view and how nice is the water. Oh, I just need a cocktail in hand and I'll be sweet. Since you said you want a bigger boat, what type of boat do you want?
I want a cruise craft. They're 6.5 metre, 6.5 metre. So if you're selling them, hit me up. Clean spot for this. We're going to sell this one. Probably get like 40 something for it. You can see where we've been. Every time we come over, we pretty much come to where we are. So it was meant to be a glass off all arvo. This is meant to get that min and literally blown out. So once again, the weatherman has no idea. Righto, we're about to head back. It's like nearly 3 o'clock, so by the time we get back, take the boat with my mates, wash it out and get home, it'll be like 6 probably. So
yeah, it's been really good over here though. Like besides no sun, I feel like the water temp's been really nice, so
that's the main thing.
And it also beats sitting at the office desk, so
see you back there.
Guys, we were just like finishing up washing our boat and driving along and someone yelled out, "I love your rugs!" I love that, it's so cool. So we just washed the boat out, took it back to our mate's house, and what's the time? 4:30. It's been a long day actually. It is so hot still outside, like pretty sure it's like 35 degrees or something at the moment. And no wind or anything, so very, very hot. Keen for a shower, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned for next week's vlog, sharing behind the scenes of a work day running Sunny Scenes.